Yes. Sorry, I was starting
Okay.
recording.
Okay.
The two instances of tamei. Are they marked with red? Yes, the
Yes.
third line, the second
Right.
last word, and the very
Nice.
last word.
Very nice. So the first instance on the third line, second last word, you want to give that to us?
Yes. Vetam a.
That's perfect. Just beautiful. And she became unclean. And the last word in the verse, how would we pronounce this one?
Titma.
Exactly so. She will become unclean. So this tav is a sign of the feminine you or a she, titma, she will. Joseph, you're on for the entire verse. It's all yours, brother. This giant bold bet, that means verse 2. We don't have to recite that. That just means Leviticus 12, verse.
Okay. Dabeir el bnei Yisrael.
Nice. Very nice. Daber el bnei Yisrael. Speak to the children of Israel.
Leimor
Saying,
Asha.
Isha, Isha.
Isha
Nice.
ki tazri. Tazria.
Yes. As a matter of fact, this is the same rule as the chet with a patach, as we accent the penultimate tazria. Very nice.
Veal da.
Yes.
Zachar.
Zachar. A woman, Isha, kis tazria, who shall become pregnant, v'yalda zachar, and she shall give birth to a male. Continue.
Vetam a.
Very nice.
Shiva. Shivat.
Nice. Shivat.
Yamim.
Beautiful. So she shall be impure or unclean. Shivat Yamim. Do you see any words that you've learned in Shivat and in Yamim? Okay,
Shiva.
what do you...
7.
Yes, nice. And how about Yamim?
Yamim.
That's a plural form for Yom.
Days, 7 days.
Yeah, 7 days. Yep, there you go. Continue.
Kinei. Sorry,
No, that was perfect. Kimei.
Kimei. Nidat.
So this is a tricky one. I'm sorry. I'll let you, yes, exactly. Well done. Congratulations. We could have easily been fooled and said dota, but we have to mind the vocal schwa, which you did. And then we know there has to be a pronunciation here. Nice analysis. And the last word?
Titma.
Right. vitom-a. This is another case where the kamats is at the beginning of a closed syllable, and it has more of an O sound than an A. Vitom-a. Shivat yamim, and she shall be unclean 7 days. Kime, like the days of Nidat Devota, her monthly flow. She shall be unclean. Nice. Okay. Gideon, I've got another verse all set up for you. It's Leviticus chapter 12, verse 4. It's all ready for you to go if you would kindly recite for us. And then we can wish each other good night.
Ushloshim
Well done.
Yom
Mm-hmm.
Ushloshet
Nice.
Yamim
Beautiful.
Teshev
Yup.
Bidmei
Nice.
Tahara.
Very nice. And this is another exception. It's Tohara.
Tohara.
There's no way to know that other than just you study it long enough that you understand some of these exceptions. And likewise here it would be Bechol.
What's the meaning of
Behol.
Tuhara?
Her purity.
Yep.
She shall teshev bidmei tahara. She shall dwell or she shall sit in the blood of her purity. So the idea is that the woman's monthly flow it makes her impure, but the flow itself is pure. I have no idea what that means. I would be lying if I said I knew, but it means the blood of her purity, or in her pure blood. She shall sit in her pure blood. Okay, let's continue with line 3, Bechol.
Behol Kodesh
Nice. And this would be
Ga.
right. Lo
Tiga.
tiga. Very nice.
Lotiga.
Be'el Hamikdash.
Nice.
Lo Tavo.
Right. Very nice.
Ad Melot
Admelot.
Yemei Tahara. Tohara.
Right. Tohara. So ushloshim yom and 30 days. Ushloshet yamim and 3 days. So 33 days. Teshev bidmei tahara. She shall sit in her purifying blood. Bechol kodesh lo tiga. She shall not touch anything holy. Ve'el hamikdash lo tavo. And she shall not enter into the worshiping place, the mikdash. Ad milot yemei tohara. Until So we're very close, guys. And I feel very confident